Ensine Education. When is the right time to teach children programming and engineering? At Ensine, we believe that children's minds are perfectly suited to absorb this knowledge starting from preschool. So we developed a system that takes them on the first step into the journey of STEM and robotics with our Junior Robotics Set. The Junior Robotics Set is based on the latest learning principles of STEM and gives children a first introduction to robotics and programming in a way that helps children develop essential 21st century skills. In the Junior Robotics Set, we combine the snap-fit connectivity of the multi-award-winning Ensine system with the effortless building feature of stackable blocks. The set encourages preschool and early primary school students to develop their cognitive, social, and fine motor skills through fun and creative play. The curriculum is supported by storytelling, making sure the students stay interested and motivated. Programming is easily done through the Kiro app with simple drag-and-drop blocks, which help students visualize and understand basic programming. Ensine offers a true STEM experience, which means it combines multiple disciplines. The kids have to apply creativity, math, programming, imagination, and engineering skills to complete the projects. Ensine is safely made in the European Union at the Ensine factory, making sure that each part is perfectly designed and safe for children of all ages. The award-winning Ensine system allows multi-level assembly which sparks different regions of the brain, connecting new neural pathways for each dimension of thinking. Cubic blocks can be simply stacked vertically or sideways, and by adding beams, the set adds a third dimension of thinking, allowing more detailed construction. The Junior Robotics Set adds more technical Ensine parts, including bricks and beams and rods, so that children can create more complex models, extending to electrical parts and the construction of programmable robots. The Ensine system is patented and already implemented in leading educational institutions worldwide. All the development is done by our research department at the European head office. The set includes a controller, touch sensor, motor, LEDs, and cables. Get Junior Robotics for the classroom or for your homes.